Hey, what's going on, guys? Ryan DePaul here. So if this is your first time checking out one of my videos or my channel, do me a favor and go ahead and hit that big red button below. Yep, the subscribe button. And right next to it is a little small bell. Click that bell and a menu will drop down so it says all. Click all, because the reason for this is because anytime I put out any content, YouTube will send you a notification saying, hey, Ryan DePaul just put out a new video. You liked the last one, so you might want to check out this one too. So we're going to jump right into this video with that. What we're talking about today is actually this company I brought it to you before called Royaltie AI. But what I'm bringing this to you today about is the new program that they have called G.E.M, Royaltie G.E.M. Not to confuse it with their old product they had, the G.E.M. So we're going to talk about this a little bit today and why we're talking about this. So it's going to be very important that for small business owners or people who want to learn how to use this program or system during these crazy times. So this program is actually, what it was to help business owners basically get online, build a brand. And why I'm bringing this to you so right now is because with everything that's going on, we're going to go through this website and show you, with everything that's going on with this COVID and this coronavirus, a lot of businesses are not functioning right now because they don't have a online brand. They don't know how to market online. They don't have the budget to do so. So a lot of businesses are closing, and a lot of them are not considered a essential necessity to be open right now. So with that, I'm going to show you what this company is doing to help with that and to help help with this pandemic that's going on for the economy as well. So like I said, the G.E.M program, it stands for Get Everyone Marketing. It's pretty cool, right? G.E.M. Get Everyone Marketing, helping business owners affected by the health crisis transition to online marketing. So how this works, I'm going to pull this over here. And how this works is this. So the COVID-19 health crisis has impacted millions of businesses worldwide, depleting their cash reserves while at the same time creating an urgent need for small business owners to rapidly transition to the online world. We want to do our part to help make that possible. And this is the good part. Every Royaltie customer can sponsor one business owner to the program. The business owners sign up below and enters whatever the amount they can afford to pay. Yes, any amount. I'll show you a list of what the amounts are. The business gets an instant access to our AI-powered marketing platform and continue paying whatever they can afford until the health crisis ends. Pretty cool, right? So you probably wonder, well, what's the prices and everything like that? So I'll show you. Who should sign up? We'll go over that first. The G.E.M program is open to small business owners and entrepreneurs of all ages wherever in the world who have been impacted by the current health crisis. If you own a restaurant and want to market takeout menu, if you own a gym and want to promote your new outdoor fitness program, pretty smart, right? This is what about to give you ideas on how to do this. If you are a teacher and want to offer e-learning programs, if you have been laid off and are starting something from scratch, this is awesome. Anyone going through cash crunch who wants to take their business online, pay whatever you can afford. We're here to help. So pretty simple, right? You basically go here to sign up, fill this this short form, and they'll email you a registration link so you can get started marketing online. Put your name in, last name, email address, and watch this. So retail, it says what can I afford? Retail price $57 per month, but see this? You actually can pay $50, $45, $40, $35, $30, $25, $20, $15, $10, $5, or $1. Guys, this is amazing to be able to market online with your business online for $1, as low as $1, until this health crisis is ending. People are having to cut back on expenses. Marketing agencies, they might get a boost in some revenue, but hey, once they're not getting the results, the businesses aren't getting the results that they want. They're going to chop that. So this is a great way for if you're a small business owner, you work from home, entrepreneur, anybody who's looking to market online, to brand themselves, to basically learn how to do it, or have it do to use this AI system to do it for you. Right here, guys, this is the opportunity to do it for. And I guarantee that you won't be disappointed. I love it. I use it myself daily. I get leads daily, by the hour. So guys, I highly recommend this. If you want to, the link will be below in the description. Also, you may call on my personal line if you have any questions, concerns, 925-752-8897. And I will, you text or call. I will answer any questions you have. Hopefully this will help you or somebody that you know. Please feel free to share this. Give me some likes. Like I said, subscribe, and hopefully this will help you guys out. So guys, once again, thank you for checking out this video and tuning in. Until the next one, be safe and be blessed. Take care.